Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce harvesting rice near Ho Chi Minh City. So if you are in Ho Chi Minh City traveling around here, you can go about 20 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh City to Long An province, where you can see rice paddy field, and sometimes you can enjoy harvesting with farmers. And before we use the sickle to harvest the rice, and then we have the threshing machine, the old one. About 20 years ago I used to do it, and this is the old one. And nowadays we have a new machine, a new threshing machine, where it harvests and take away the dry grains from the straw. Now I'm in the machine now. So this is exactly what the farmers in western areas in Vietnam, about 20 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh City in Long An province. You can see that they use the threshing machine to harvest the rice, and this is the rice field you can see in Vietnam. If you want to visit some place like this, just traveling to the west of Ho Chi Minh City, about 20 kilometers in Long An province, you can see rice field and harvesting. Hey, now I am on the machine now. It's interesting. I enjoy it because it remind me of my old tribe memories. In my channel you can see some videos around Ho Chi Minh City, some places you should go, and some dishes you should eat in Ho Chi Minh City. I hope you enjoy my channel, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos coming next. Thank you for watching. Trên máy thì mình đã thấy cánh đồng này đã gần gặt xong rồi. Có máy gặt là tuyệt vời. Hồi xưa mình còn là gặt bằng liềm, bằng tay không, rất là vất vả. Còn bây giờ bà con nông dân có máy gặt này rất là tuyệt vời. Nếu các anh chị thấy cái kênh này hay thì hãy like và share cái kênh này cho mình.